In this step, we will do the logout feature. First, open your app header.view and go to the logout button and attach an on-click event listener and call a function do_logout. Now create this function in methods object. In this function, we will call an API to empty the access token from MongoDB. And we will attach the headers with this request so the server will know which user's access token to empty. If the response from status is success, then it has been made empty in MongoDB. In that case, we need to remove the access token key from local storage too. Then we will redirect the user to login page. If the server fails to empty the access token, then there must be some error. So we will display the error in sweet alert pop-up if the status is not success. Then we need to create this API in API server.js. First, we will get the user with the help of auth module. Then we will empty the access token from users collection using users object ID. And send the response back to client. So now I am going to test the app and click on logout. So it has redirected me to login page. You can check in MongoDB that user's access token has been made empty. And you can also check in browser console that the access token has been removed from browser's local storage. So only this user has been logged out. The other user is still logged in other browser.